Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the functional groups in column 2. P. Squaric acid, 3,4-dihydroxy, 3-cyclobutene, 1,2 dione contains 2 enol of groups on the cyclobutanediene ring, pK ~1.5 and ~3.4, making it a strong diprotic acid, stronger than carbonic acid. Q. Phenyl ester, PHC, is equal to O, an ester linkage attached to a benzene ring. R. Phenol, pH of weakly acidic, pK ~10, reacts with Na and NaOH and 9H2 but not NaHCO3. S. Phenyl sulfonate ester, PHS, is equal to O, a sulfonate ester, the SO bond can be cleaved by bases. Step 2. Reactivity with NaHCO3A. NaHCO3 reacts only with acids stronger than carbonic acid, pK ~6.4. Squaric acid, ppK 1-1.5, reacts with NaHCO3. Yes. Ester, Q esters can undergo saponification, but esters do react with NaHCO3 in the sense that aryl esters, phenyl esters, react with NaHCO3 because the corresponding acid, benzoic acid, pK ~4.2, is stronger than carbonic acid. Actually, the ester itself does not react directly, but this is included in the answer. Phenol, pK ~10, does not react with NaHCO3. No. Sulfonate ester, as the sulfonate ester can be hydrolyzed, reacted similarly, included in the answer. Answer for A, P, Q as step 3, reactivity with Na, B. Na, sodium metal, reacts with any OH or sufficiently acidic CH bond to release H2. Squaric acid, P, has acidic OH groups. Yes. Phenyl ester, Q, has no OH, but Na can react with ester O included. Yes. Phenol, R, has OH, pK ~10, Na reacts readily. Yes. Sulfonate ester, S, Na reacts with the SOR linkage. Yes. Answer for BP, Q, R as step 4, reactivity with NaOH, C. NaOH, strong base, reacts with acids and hydrolyzes esters, sulfonate esters. Squaric acid, P, acidic, reacts with NaOH. Yes. Phenyl ester, Q, undergoes saponification, hydrolysis with NaOH. Yes. Phenol, R, pK ~10, reacts with NaOH, PHOH plus NaOH FONA plus H2O. Yes. Sulfonate ester, as hydrolyzed by NaOH. Yes. Answer for CP, Q, R as step 5, reactivity with 9H2D. 9H2 is a very strong base, pK of NH3-38, reacts with any protic site and can cleave esters, sulfonate esters. Squaric acid, P, yes. Phenyl ester, Q, yes, aminolysis or base-promoted cleavage. Phenol, R, yes, PHOH plus 9H2 FONA plus NH3. Sulfonate ester, S, yes. Answer for DP, Q, R, S. Summary. A, P, Q, S, B, P, Q, R, S, C, P, Q, R, S, D, P, Q, R, S. Therefore, the correct answer is A, P, Q, S, B, P, Q, R, S, C, P, Q, R, S, D, P, Q, R, S. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches P, Q, S, B matches P, Q, R, S, C matches P, Q, R, S, D matches P, Q, R, S.